Today I'm making mushroom soup. This is not a Georgian recipe. This recipe came from my mother's very dear friend who grew up in Siberia, and this is a very Russian recipe. So for mushroom soup, Siberian or Russian style, we need button mushrooms. That's what we have here, right? About 10-12 button mushrooms, 1 potato, of course salt, water, and pearl barley. So I'll show you the pack. So it's not very often used in the United States, but that's a pearl barley. So I'll show you the pack. It is available in all supermarkets. This is how they look. It could remind you of the short grain rice, but it is barley. See, it tastes completely different. So this barley needs to be washed really thoroughly. It's not washed yet, and cooked separately in a separate. This is a pot in which I will be making the soup. So I'm going to cut mushrooms and potatoes. Here are, by the way, 6 cups of cold water. This is all you need at this point. So now I'm going to cut potatoes. Try to not to make them too big. See, that size. And mushrooms. This size is fine. This will be a chunky mushroom soup. Here are all mushrooms and potatoes cut, and I'm starting cooking them. I added ½ teaspoon of salt into this water, and it goes directly on the stove. While it's cooking, I will rinse barley and start cooking barley. Here is a rinsed barley. I rinse it actually 4 times. So make sure every barley is a little different, so make sure water is clear. Now I'm adding, see, that much of salt, this is a teaspoon, and starting cooking it. So mushrooms and potatoes and the barley at the same time we're cooking. It took them 40 minutes, about 40 minutes. So I brought them to boil and then simmered for 40 minutes. So you have to, barley I rinsed in cold water under the tap. See how that looks cooked? I just show you closer probably. See how that looks? It will never be as soft as the rice. So middle is always a little bit hard. And that's the beauty of barley. So now I'm adding this barley directly into the soup. It goes directly here. Now barley is now cold and it will stop boiling. So I need to bring it to boil, everything. And soup will be ready to serve with the sour cream. So it's almost done, almost. See how little mushrooms are now? So mushrooms reduce dramatically in size when they cook. Check for the salt after it's done, and if you need, you can add a little bit more of salt. So it is boiling, and it is completely done. See how thick and beautiful this soup is. I'm turning it off, and it is time to serve. This is chunky mushroom soup. And with 1 spoon of sour cream. Hope you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.